Okay guys, so we've reached 500 miles. Time to change the gear oil on this Jeep. It's been a long time coming, but the gears, they're not making any noise. We're going to pull the pumpkin off, inspect the gears, and see how they look. And then we're going to put it back on, put some new gear oil in there, and make it run again. Now, if you do a gear change or things like that, you're supposed to do it around 500 miles. That's what the instructions say. I think we're closer to 6. My son actually doing the gear oil change, because he's good at it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, so we're ready to take it off. We have our impactor, impact, and full charge. So fully loaded with a 1/2-inch socket. We're ready to go. So this is his tool for the foreseeable future as we change the gear oil. Okay, so we're taking out all the bolts for the differential. This is the Dana 35. And then we're going to leave the top bolt in, and so we can pull it loose and let it drain. Once we have it loose, then we can pull the pan off and inspect the rear differential gears, because we did just do a gear change on this. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's creamy. Oh, it got that good smell too.
No. I hate that smell.
And
I'm gonna puke again.
After we get the gear oil changed, let's see how much actual gears we've tore up in our break-in period. Oh, that smells yummy. So we're taking a look at our tooth wear, and it looks really good. These gears are wearing exactly how we want them to. And when we felt in there for metal shavings, there wasn't any. So we did really good, and we're still using the original bearings to hold our limited slip differential in the unit. So we didn't change out these bearings. They felt good, so I didn't think we needed to. We still have the new bearings if we need to get them pressed on. So now we're going to put the pan back in place, and we're reusing the original gasket because it wasn't damaged. We imprinted all that silicone on it when we put it in the first time. Now, if we had put a lot of miles on it and actually wore it out, then we would replace it. But we're all about budget over here. And then we're going to tighten it up with the impactor, and we're just going to tighten them up until they're snug. Okay, to fill the oil up in our differential, we're using our stern drive pump that we use in our boat. And it works really good because you can't get the angle right to pour these in. Okay, looking at the gears over here, this is in the front. It has a nice bite pattern, so this is doing very well as well. And also, we didn't have to change the carrier bearings or the shims in it. So this is the original bearings and shims. We do have new shims and bearings if we need them, but this turned out very well. Now we're going to stick it back together. Okay guys, so the gear change is done. The gears the wear is really good, and I'm really liking that. If you want to see how we installed them, I've left video links down below so you can check out the previous gear changes so you can see how we got to this point. Now you want to change your gear oil after about 500 miles. That's your braking period. And then dump it because you probably left some crap in there that needs to be cleaned out, or the gears are eating themselves. I've had plenty of gears eat themselves. I've ran them too shallow and ripped off all the teeth, too deep, and they whine. So don't want to do that. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out Dining with Danielle. Great recipes released every week, and see a link down below for that as well. There's pure yumminess coming out this week, so you'll check that out. And I'm gonna go drink my sunset lemonade, finish the night with my beautiful wife Danielle, and y'all please take care. Like, it's like that, subscribe, and have a good night.